Welcome back to Auto Speed's Vibes. Today, we're diving into two mind-blowing motorhomes that redefine luxury and innovation. Get ready for an electrifying and jaw-dropping ride. Let's kick things off with the 2026 BYD Motorhome. This is not just an RV, it's a revolution on wheels. BYD, one of the world's leaders in electric vehicle technology, has now stepped boldly into the luxury travel segment. Their latest electric motorhome is a statement in design, technology, and eco-conscious innovation. Sleek and futuristic in its exterior design, the 2026 BYD Motorhome features a streamlined, aerodynamic body with integrated solar panels, flush-mounted windows, and ambient LED light strips that outline its bold silhouette. The drivetrain is powered by BYD's new Gen Blade Battery technology, which offers enhanced safety, improved energy density, and an impressive range of up to 700 kilometers on a full charge. With Level 3 autonomous driving, adaptive cruise, and a 360-degree lidar-based safety system, this RV ensures effortless driving across highways and campgrounds alike. Its dual electric motors deliver smooth, whisper-quiet acceleration, making the driving experience not just green, but incredibly serene. Stepping inside, the BYD Motorhome immediately stuns with an interior that feels like a blend between a high-end tech suite and a luxury jet cabin. Rich vegan leather upholstery, soft touch suede finishes, and real bamboo inlays give it a clean and contemporary aesthetic. A panoramic smart roof floods the cabin with natural light during the day and displays stars at night through electrochromic technology. The main lounge transforms into a cinema with an OLED retractable screen and 22-speaker surround sound system. The onboard AI assistant controls everything from lighting and climate to mood music and window opacity. One of the standout features is the smart modular furniture layout. The sofas rotate to become a dining space, and the table rises from the floor at the touch of a button. There's also a compact but fully functional kitchen with an induction cooktop, refrigerated drawers, and a smart oven that can scan ingredients and suggest recipes. The bedroom offers a king-size memory foam bed with a zero-gravity sleep mode and augmented reality ceiling projection for guided sleep or entertainment. The bathroom is equally impressive, featuring a rainfall shower, heated marble floors, and a water recycling system that purifies and reuses greywater to minimize waste. The entire RV is energy independent thanks to its combination of solar charging, regenerative braking, and advanced battery storage. There's even an exterior drone bay for aerial exploration or filming your scenic drives. Now, if the BYD Motorhome is redefining the future of sustainable luxury travel, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is breaking all the rules in the name of ultra-opulence. Imagine taking the spirit of a Bugatti Chiron and stretching it into a two-story luxury suite on wheels. That's what this motorhome represents. With only a handful being made, and each costing around $5 million, it's truly one of the most exclusive RVs ever produced. The exterior is a work of automotive art. The signature horseshoe Bugatti grille sits proudly on the front, flanked by laser-cut carbon fiber body panels and adaptive lighting elements that respond to the terrain and driving mode. Retractable wings on the sides act as stability aids and solar energy collectors. A motorized rear deck folds out to reveal a full terrace lounge complete with a fire pit, heated flooring, and a mini bar. Underneath the hood, yes, this RV has a performance engine, is a modified version of Bugatti's legendary W16 quad-turbo engine, delivering over 1,000 horsepower. While it's obviously not designed for speed records, this powertrain ensures an unrivaled cruising experience with torque delivery smoother than a superyacht and acceleration that puts many sports cars to shame. Step inside, and your jaw might drop. The cabin is adorned in quilted leather, polished walnut, aluminum, and even titanium finishes. The driver's cockpit resembles a spaceship, with a curved digital dash, carbon fiber steering controls, and custom ambient lighting. The lounge area includes two recliners imported from Italy, each with massaging, heating, and cooling functions, and a floating fireplace between them. The kitchen rivals those found in Michelin-starred restaurants. It includes a gourmet induction range, double wine fridges, a robotic sous chef arm, and even a climate-controlled pantry. There's a built-in champagne cooler with crystal flutes engraved with the Bugatti logo. The entire space is voice-controlled, with custom settings for entertainment, dining, and sleep. Heading to the bedroom, you're greeted by a floating king-size bed surrounded by curved glass walls with opacity control, offering privacy or panoramic views at the touch of a button. The linens are sourced from a Parisian luxury brand, and the headboard includes a digital health monitor that adjusts room conditions based on your biometrics. And then there's the bathroom, a literal spa on wheels. Italian marble countertops, gold-plated fixtures, a deep soaking tub with color therapy lighting, and a full steam shower complete the package. There's also a walk-in wardrobe with a rotating clothing carousel, jewelry safe, and hidden storage compartments. The second floor, yes, there's a second floor, raises hydraulically to reveal a rooftop lounge complete with a glass canopy, seating for 8, an outdoor cinema, and a small plunge pool. At night, the entire unit lights up with custom animations and patterns using micro-LED panels embedded into the bodywork. It's not just an RV, it's a moving mansion, a symbol of achievement, a Bugatti masterpiece on wheels. Together, the 2026 BYD and Bugatti Motorhomes represent two distinct visions of the future. One is focused on sustainability, smart tech, and accessibility, while the other is all about decadence, exclusivity, and automotive artistry. Both challenge everything we thought we knew about what a motorhome could be. Whether you're drawn to the whisper-quiet glide of the electric BYD or the thunderous elegance of the Bugatti, one thing's for sure, the future of RVing has arrived, and it's unlike anything we've seen before. Stay tuned because Autospeed's vibes will keep bringing you the boldest, wildest, and most revolutionary rides on the planet.